Good afternoon, everyone. I am Dharitri Behra, a student of class 12 from OAV Chakabad, a remote district of Kandhamar. In visioning the mission of innovation initiated by our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, we have selected one theme out of the four viable ones, which is Swadeshi or vocal for local. Hence, we are focusing on seed paper. Seed paper is a unique eco-friendly handmade material made from recycled paper pulp with plant seed embedded within it. When planted in soil and water, the paper decomposes and the dormant seed germinate and grow into plants, offering a sustainable alternative to traditional paper products and promoting a safe trees ethos. Now, I tell you what is seed paper. Seed paper serves as a sustainable biodegradable medium that transforms single-use paper waste into a living product. The core principle involves suspending seeds in a cellulose fiber matrix derived from scarf. Non-glossy paper or other plant fibers like cotton rags, the process requires no chemicals harmful to the seeds and results in a texture rustic paper that can be used for cards, gifts, tags, bookmarks, or wedding invitations. The final product remains shelf-stable as long as it is kept dry, but once introduced to moisture, sunlight, and soil, it breaks down, allowing the seeds to sprout effectively, giving the paper a new life and an immediate concrete environmental benefit. Now I tell you the process of making seed paper. The process of making seed paper is a simple form of traditional paper making and can be done within common household items. Material needed: recycled paper, non-glossy scarves like office paper, newspaper, air cartons, etc. Water for soaking and blending. Blender to create the paper pulp. Use an add dedicated one as paper can dull less. Seeds: small, hardy and non-invasive seeds work best like wildflowers, basil herbs. Mold and decal, a frame with a screen attached used to form the paper seed. A sieve or splatter ground can work for small batches. Absorbent towels, cloths, and a sponge for pressing out water. Step-by-step instruction to make seed papers. First step: shred and soak. Tin the scrap paper into small 1 inch pieces and place them in a bowl. Cover the pieces with warm water and let them soak for at least 30 minutes or preferably overnight to soften the fibers. Second step: blend into pulp. Transfer the soaked paper and water to a blender. Fill about halfway and blend until it reaches a smooth soapy or atmeal-like consistency. You can add natural food coloring at this stage if desired. Third step: add seeds. Pour the pulp into a mixing bowl and gently stir in the seeds with a spoon or your hands. Do not use the blender as it will damage the seeds. Fourth step: from the paper seed, place your mold and decal screen side up in a large shallow pan or sink. Pour or scoop the pulp mixture onto the screen, spreading it evenly across the surface. Gently shake the frame side to side to help the fiber. Fifth step: remove excess water. Lift the frame from the water and let the excess water drain. Place the frame pulp side. Use a sponge or rolling pin. Gently press out as much water as possible. Sixth step: dry the paper. Carefully peel the wet sheet of paper off the screen and leave it on a flat, dry surface in a well-ventilated area to dry completely. Drying can take 24 to 48 hours depending on the thickness and humidity. Avoid using direct heat like an oven or microwave as this can kill the seeds. Last step: finish and store. Once fully dry, the seed paper can be trimmed to size, written on preferably with saw-based links or cut into shapes. Store it in a cool, dry place to keep the seeds dormant until ready for planting.